Quantum computing for beginners. Unlocking the mysteries. Ever heard the term quantum computing and felt overwhelmed? Join us as we unravel this mind-bending concept. Quantum computing is a cutting-edge technology that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, quantum computers use qubits. These qubits allow for superposition, letting them exist in multiple states at once. Imagine spinning a coin. It's neither heads nor tails. That's superposition. In quantum computing, this enables immense data processing power, as qubits can handle more information than classical bits. This ability could revolutionize fields like cryptography and material science. Quantum entanglement is where qubits become interconnected, affecting each other's states, no matter the distance. It's akin to having a friend from whom you always get the same test score, no matter how far apart you take the test. This unusual property further bolsters quantum computing's potential. How do quantum computers differ from classical computers? Classical bits are like light switches, on or off. Quantum computers use qubits, enabling them to process a massive amount of possibilities simultaneously. While classical computing crumbles under complex calculations, quantum stands ready to tackle them. Quantum computing promises breakthroughs across multiple domains. From drug discovery to solving unsolvable mathematical problems, its applications are vast. Picture analyzing billions of molecules for medical breakthroughs in seconds, or ensuring unhackable data encryption. The possibilities are endless. Despite its potential, quantum computing is not without challenges. It's still in experimental stages, facing hurdles like error rates and qubit coherence. Significant research and resources are required to make quantum technology reliable for mainstream use. Quantum computing could redefine the limits of technological advancement. As more companies and researchers commit to this revolution, the pace of breakthroughs will accelerate. Governments and tech giants alike are pouring billions into research and development, highlighting the importance of this technology. Curious to learn more? Dive into the fascinating world of quantum computing. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss out on any exciting updates. Share this video with friends and join the quantum revolution. Explore the future today.